Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing. ये तेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या है? जब भी तू शो में आता है कभी गाता है, कभी नाचता है, कभी गाना ऑन कर देता है. तुझे एंटरटेनमेंट शो लग रहा है क्या? अच्छा, अभी तक जिन लोगों को you know I'm sure now everyone has understood what is the topic of discussion. The topic of discussion is none other than Indian Premier League, the unfinished half of the Indian Premier League. I mean, think of it. In the lockdown, people have got so busy watching series and all. So BCCI thought that BCCI should also have a series of its own. IPL season 1, IPL season 2.
IPL 2021 season 1, season
Yeah,
2.
exactly. Sorry. IPL 2021 season 1 and IPL 2021 season 2.
And Trisha, one more thing. Nowadays, you see every problem or every situation in our current world, you can equate it back to COVID. Had COVID not been there, first of all, IPL wouldn't have stopped. Second of all this problem regarding whether IPL can be completed or not is basically due to that quarantine issues. Because in the normal world, which was in 2019, you could go anywhere and you could start playing. Nowadays, 10-day quarantine, 7-day quarantine,
No,
14-day
the worst
quarantine,
is
hard
hard
quarantine,
quarantine,
soft
soft
quarantine.
quarantine. My God, are you having food hard, soft, what? And there are so many equations which are no more about the team, the venues. No, it's more about which place is safe, and from which place to the other place you don't need to quarantine yourself. So there is this whole buzz. Before we get into the discussion, Orgo will obviously follow up. The first buzz is BCCI has approached ECB, which is the England Cricket Board. Uh, and guess what? My Siri is answering. No, the so BCCI has spoken to the England Cricket Board to prepone the test schedule. And why am I mentioning prepone is because there is a section of the social media, I wouldn't say media, who feel that BCCI is asking ECB to cancel a test match, which is not true. There is no cancellation of test matches. They have just asked the entire set of test matches to be taken a little bit, to prepone.
Ahead.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I think by 1 week, Orgo.
Yeah. So what BCCI is trying to do is usually like the current itinerary is that the five test match series which India is supposed to play with England starts from August 4th.
4th of
And the
August. Yeah.
last test, the fifth test is supposed to get completed on September 14th. What BCCI is trying, they are trying to make a effort and with the ECB to prepone the test series by 1 week, the start and the end. So, for example, if the end of the series is now on September 14th, if it is preponed by 1 week, it's September 7th then. Now, what happens is that from September 7th till October 16th, which is the tentative date of the start of the World T20,
World team.
T20 World
Yes.
Cup.
Yes.
It's a huge gap. Now you are getting a big gap. 31 IPL games are left. If double headers are held almost on every days, you need around 18, 19 days to get completed. So IPL can also get completed in this time from after September 7th to October 16th, and you will get enough time for quarantine because nobody knows where the World T20 World Cup will happen. India is surely doubtful. If it happens in UAE, there will be quarantine issues. Like I think there will be 10 days
No,
of
but
quarantine. Also,
no, but if
hmm,
uh, the IPL happens in UAE itself, then that is
hmm,
also an advantage, right? If IPL happens in
hmm.
UAE and you straight away go to the T20 World Cup, there also you save some days of quarantine.
Yeah, yeah. Now the other problem, Trisha, is that so India is first of all playing World Test Championship final against New Zealand on June 18th, and it will get completed on June 23rd. The Test match, if it's a 5 day or one reserve day is there. So after that, Indian cricket team is in England for a long period of time till August 4th. People might be thinking, why is it so? What will India do in this time? It's because in England have this new tournament, the 100. It's a 100 ball tournament. It has a whole set of new rules. We'll discuss about that in a different show. So it's a marquee tournament, a very new format for ECB, and they have reserved some dates in July, which will run till August for this tournament. Also, there's a gap between the Test series. There's a substantial gap, so that before the start of the series, some of the best England players who will be in Test matches can play this 100 tournament, and also during the final stages, because there's a gap between the Test series, they can again join that 100 in their respective teams. Now the problem is, will ECB be willing to forgo these players? The second problem is, all the Test matches are sold out. Remember, in England, Test matches sell like anything. All
True.
tickets are sold out for third, fourth, every Test match. Now ECB has to answer the counties, respective counties where the Test matches will be held. There are revenue issues. Also, now officially, the ECB has said that there has been no official contact from
They
BCCI,
have
but the
yeah, they have
sources,
denied
yeah,
it. Yeah.
they have denied it. But the news is that BCCI, if they haven't approached, they will approach ECB for this. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I think, see, here suddenly it has become which board is going to lose more money. Because if IPL doesn't happen, then BCCI stands to lose 2,500 crore. Sorry, 250 crore.
Hmm.
Which one did I
Hmm.
say correct? 250 or
I think
2,000?
2005,
Yeah,
2500
I
is
think
the
it's
right.
2,500, whatever it is. So BCCI stands to lose an amount.
Hmm.
But if England has to adjust, do not, even if England adjusts, even then they
Hmm.
will lose a certain amount of money.
Hmm. Hmm.
Apart from that, see, if they're sold out, the tickets are sold out, what do? You can't just randomly change the date. Because suppose you have bought a ticket for today, will you
Hmm.
be able
Hmm.
to watch the same match if it's 10
Hmm.
days ago? Like if it's postponed
Yeah.
by 10 days, you might not be
Yeah.
free.
So you mean, even if the ticket holders are given, they will definitely, even if it's preponed, they
They
will
will
be given a
adjust there.
choice to,
Sure.
yeah.
See,
But then you might be busy on that day. The
absolutely.
individual might be. But
Absolutely. Ask me
Trisha, do
what
you
happened.
think there's a middle ground in this? Because 1 month back there was a news that even England is willing to host IPL. Can
Correct.
BCCI give the IPL hosting rights, like if BCCI hosts the remainder of IPL in the counties, in the different counties where all these Test matches were supposed to be played in England? Is that a middle ground which BCCI can try out with England?
See, yes, because what that eventually does is, if now let's suppose, because everything is in the suppose stage only, if
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
BCCI holds the remainder of the IPL in UK, what that
Mm,
does is your quarantine is done. Correct? The only
mm,
players who need to quarantine would be any other team other than your India and England, right? So
yeah,
suppose
yeah.
Australian players would need to quarantine, and Australian players
Mm,
can be brought in earlier,
yeah.
right? You
Same
can
with
get
New Zealand.
yeah, exactly. So you are getting everyone there. Two teams do not need to quarantine at all, and you get them to play.
Mm,
Also, what
mm,
eventually happens is the 100 also can go on, and the IPL also can go
mm.
on, and then
Yeah,
go to UAE, because I don't see World T20 happening in India, right?
definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, so you go to UAE, hard quarantine, and then you play the matches. That's
That
the
is
only
it.
solution. But also, if you actually see, uh, this can be used in UAE also, because you can get Australian and New
Mm.
Zealand players to UAE
Yeah,
also,
yeah,
right? So
yeah.
all
It's
you
just
need to
that if you are forcing, if not forcing, if you are requesting ECB to prepone, you have to give something back to them. I think that's
Correct.
where
That's
ECB
what,
has a chance. Yeah.
business in return of business also. That sort of a thing. And I think that's what would be there. But uh, I was just seeing a show in which Boria Majumdar said that they are not really looking at hosting the IPL in UAE. Sorry, in UK. They are
Mm,
looking at
mm,
hosting the IPL in UAE itself.
you.
You know, and
Mm,
that makes it very tough. I feel that this whole, and also you cannot ask UK to go, to give away everything, right? Like, because you're asking them to
mm,
adjust in their domestic tournament for your
mm,
domestic tournament, because all said and done,
mm,
IPL is a domestic tournament. You are asking
mm,
UK, like you are asking ECB to adjust the international calendar also because of your domestic tournament, and then you are not even giving business to them. I don't know if they will take it nicely, and I'm even surprised that they completely denied. Huh? मैंने तो नहीं सुना ऐसा रिक्वेस्ट आया.
Okay. On that note, that was a great discussion.
Absolutely. I think we discussed. Do you think if we continue discussing this way, someday maybe BCCI will call us and say, "इतना discuss करते हो, हमें भी थोड़ा meeting में join कर लो." Our
Or maybe you
discussion
can
is
discuss it. Maybe you can go and represent us for in front of ECB or some other boards,
yeah,
because you have
absolutely.
a plan A for, you have plan B for plans A, plan C for plan B. You have so many plans, speculative plans.
Speculative plans.
Yeah,
Why
yeah.
don't you guys tell us what are your thoughts on it? What do you think? Should IPL happen in England? Should IPL happen in UAE? Or are we just done with IPL? I mean, are we talking too much about IPL? Because at the end of the day, we have a T20 World Cup coming up,
Hmm.
which is why I also feel that I don't think it is only about BCCI losing the 2050 or 2500 crore. It is also about the fact that if you see, India is not getting T20 practice before the
Hmm.
World Cup, so that is why also probably BCCI is a little, a little, they want to get a T20 tournament,
Hmm.
because you can't get a
Hmm.
bilateral series in it, right? You certainly
Hmm.
can't play bilateral series, cannot arrange one, but IPL would be
Hmm.
easier. And IPL,
Hmm.
though it's a domestic tournament, but the level is pretty high, right? So
Hmm.
that could be one more thing. So Orgo, to
Correct.
join our discussion, we cannot join BCCI's discussion immediately, but viewers can join our discussion, right? What do they need to do? Please tell
Yeah.
them.
Please, it's a very simple process. It's not like Cowin app where you are not getting slots.
So they don't need to wait for OTP.
No, no, no OTP. Just type sports addiction on YouTube. Simply go there. If you like our video, see, we are not forcing anyone to do these things. If you like our video, plus, first of all, like that video, share it with your friends, and then what you should do? You should subscribe to the channel. There's a subscribe button there, and also there's a bell icon there. If you press the bell icon,
Correct.
any video we upload will be will get notification. Also, like our Facebook page, like our Instagram page, like our profiles, Orgo and Trisha, and keep following us.
As of now, take care. Bye bye. See ya.